All right, guys, you're welcome to this video. In this video, I just want to address some little issues that a lot of people have been facing. Like even within the training, I have some people facing this issue. So I want to quickly address this issue. Now, it's an issue of maybe you setting up some stuff within your back end, the back end of your website. So you're setting up some stuff within the back end of your website and they are not being affected on the front end. Most at times it's just an issue of plugins. Like plugins actually there's conflict between some plugins. At times you need to open the front end of your website in a new incognito window. Now this is where some people are actually lost. So I want to show you guys how to open this stuff in a new incognito window. All right, now when you look at this is the front end of this website which I'm working on. It's actually my site. So when you look here, you'll see this black bar here. This is the admin. It's actually the admin bar. Like it's showing you that you're logged into this site. Okay. So most of the times when you're logged into a particular site, you work on the back end, you go to the front end. Like there are some things that are going to be affected. Okay. So when you come back now to the back end, let me show you the back end. So this is the back end of the site. This is the back end. Okay. Now, when you check this back end, you will not see this bar that was actually up here when we were at the front end. So you will not see that black bar here. But when you go to the front end, let's go back to the front end. Now, when you come to the front end, you will see this bar. You understand? The bar is actually telling you you are logged into this website. If I actually remove the back end, like the tab, which is actually on the back end, you will not find this bar again. You understand? The bar can still be there because now there is how can I put it? They call it catchy. Like it has actually captured the like my address has actually been captured that I've actually logged into this site. So when you come here now, it's just actually going to have this bar up here. I don't know if you get it. Like there are cookies. There are cookies that are actually being captured, which shows that you were actually logged into this site. So it is going to give me this bar most of the times. Okay. So now what do you do if you want to open this front end so that it shouldn't be affected? You just come here, copy this link. This is my URL. This is my URL here. I'll just copy it. Connection. I'll just come here. When I copy this URL, I'll just come here now. Look at the top end, at the top right corner of my screen, of my computer screen, where this mouse is. When you look after my picture, you actually see at the end here, at the extreme end, you see these three dots. Yes, there are three dots there. Just click on it. Now you see they'll tell you new tab, new windows, new incognito window, history, download, and so on and so forth. Just click on new incognito window. Let me click on this new incognito window. Let's see what's there. Click on it. All right. So this is the new incognito window here. Okay. Now I'll just paste my URL here. I'll paste the URL here. Paste. Then I'll take enter. Let's see what happens. All right. Let's just hold on. Connection is a bit slow. All right, now take note of this incognito window. I'm not showing you this website. I don't want to show you guys because I'm not done with it. All right. So now, when you look here, you'll see this button here, getting started. Okay, getting started. This button, when I put the menu, this button will actually come to this end. Now take note of this, you will not see this bar again here, so all the changes will be affected, like they'll be shown here. In fact, let me just scroll a little bit down, so you see all the changes will be displayed on the front end. So that is how you actually open a new incognito windows, like I explained in the group. So when you see again here, they'll still tell you new incognito tab. You're opening a new tab, like you can click on this plus icon, new windows. This one now is a normal window, new incognito windows. You're opening another incognito window again. So now you've seen how to open a new incognito window. So let's go back now. Take note of this board. Let me show you the next board. Now take note of this board. You see what we have here is just Gmail, YouTube, map, news, translate. Okay, then you have this empty space. It is not the login space. Now let me quit this new incognito window. Now you have seen how to open a new incognito window. Let me quit it. Now when I quit this incognito windows, you look at this one now, you see here, you see this is the bar that was up there on the other one, but the other one was black. We had Gmail, YouTube, map, news, translate. Now this one here, we have this bar down here, but with the incognito window, we didn't have that because we are not locked into any tab in the incognito windows. Okay, now that's the first issue I want to address in this video. Let me address the second issue. The second issue is some people, like when they actually worked on their computer, they actually closed their let me say they closed their window, they exit, like they just come here, they close it on a Windows computer is actually on the right, with Apple is actually on the left. So when they come here, they close their tabs, they close their windows, and when they come back, they are confused, like they don't know how to get back to where they were working. Most of them didn't know how to go and log in. Like I already gave you guys step by step how to log into your back end. Now if you don't want to go through all that stress, now I'm not going to close this window, because if I close this my Chrome browser now, this video is going to go off. Okay, because I'm actually recording Chrome windows, these windows. Now what happens is, if you actually close your tab, like your Chrome window or your browsing window, whatever you're browsing with, maybe Firefox, I think Firefox too will have the same thing. Now when you come and open your new Chrome window, this is my Chrome here, let's say I have closed everything. Now I come back again, we are just assuming, okay, because I can't quit this window since I'm recording a video. Now you come and open a new Chrome window or Chrome browser. You open your Chrome browser and you have a new Windows. Now it's actually blank for the moment. Okay, it's actually blank. You're assuming it's blank. Now when you want to restore all the windows you had open, what you do is you simply just come here. You just come on this same three dots where you used to open the new incognito windows. Just click on it. It will bring this drop down. You see here they say new tab, new windows, new incognito window. Then they'll tell you history. Okay, history. Just hover over this history. When you hover over history, you come here, you come down, they'll tell you recently closed tab. You can see all the tabs you recently closed. I had about 30 something tabs open. When you look here, you see different tabs which I have closed. Okay, there are so many. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 10 tabs, including these other ones now. So you can imagine. Now, when you come here, you will see here, they'll ask you, they'll show you something like, I think open Windows, something like that. I can't see it because I have Windows open here. But they'll just tell you, they'll give you maybe 35, or it depends on the number of tabs you had open. Maybe 5 tabs open. You will see here 5 tabs. You understand? Those were the tabs that were opened before you actually closed this window from here. Maybe you were not closing these tabs one after the other. You just closed this at once with all the tabs open. Okay. Now you see here they'll write maybe 10 tabs open. They'll show you here. When you hover over the number of tabs, another pop-up will come up. You see another screen will pop up. Then they'll tell you to restore those windows, to restore the open windows that were open. You just click on it, restore. All the windows, whatever you were doing is going to come back to normal. Like it's going to come back on the same spot which you were using. Okay, so guys, those are the two issues I actually wanted to address in this video. So guys, please, if you got value from this video, guys, don't forget, do give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're actually new to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out important and educative content which I'll be posting on this video, guys. So guys, if you're new, I am Conj82. I'm actually from VL Concept Digital Marketing and Web Development Agency. So guys, if you're new, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. So guys, see you again in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.